Like I said in my last video, CES is a gift that never stops giving. We have one more announcement coming in, and this one's a biggie. We have right now the first ever Bluetooth 5.0 noise cancelling headphones. I thought it would be a Bose because it's been such a long time since Bose released the QC35 version 2. But Audio-Technica has just announced the ATH-ANC900BT noise cancelling headphones. And this supports Bluetooth 5, which puts it way ahead of even the Sony WH-1000XM3 in terms of Bluetooth wireless connectivity. The WH-1000XM3 supports Bluetooth 4.2, which is great in most cases, but if your headphones support Bluetooth 5, these are the benefits that you're going to enjoy, okay? Double the Bluetooth transmission speed, so this means that there's a lot more headroom for you to get much better, pristine sound quality from your mobile device, up to 4 times the Bluetooth connection range, so you can stay connected to your device over far greater distances than ever before, and also while using less power. So you end up saving battery on your device and on your headphones, and as a result, the ANC900BT has a 35-hour battery life compared to the Sony WH-1000XM3's 30-hour battery life. So there's a 5-hour battery advantage. This also supports 3 separate modes of noise cancelling, which you can toggle using the touch controls on the headphones. So these have touch controls, just like the Sony's, okay? But if you want finer, more granular control over the noise cancelling's intensity, you can do that through the Audio-Technica Connect mobile app. Okay, so I'm assuming that this also supports some sort of ambient pass-through mode. And the one other attractive thing about these headphones, the price. It costs $50 less at launch than the Sony WH-1000XM3. So the Sony WH-1000XM3 retails for $349. This one's coming at $300. Now I'm not gonna make the same mistake that I made with the Microsoft Surface headphones. I said in my video covering the Microsoft Surface headphones that I'm very skeptical about its noise cancelling, thus it would most likely suck. But it turns out that I was wrong, and a lot of reviewers are saying that the noise cancelling is great on the Microsoft Surface headphones. So let's be more optimistic about the ANC900BT. Let's assume that its noise cancelling is great. Let's just assume, alright? It will possibly be the most serious challenger to the Sony WH-1000XM3 in the year 2019. But there are some things about it which makes me wonder if that will ever be the case, because apparently this does not support USB-C fast charging. It uses a micro USB port to charge, so assuming it's got that claimed 35-hour battery life, again, we don't know that yet, but assuming it does, then how long does it take to charge? Even with some sort of fast charging built right in, we don't know that for sure because they're not saying in the reports whether this has fast charging. But assuming that it does, a 15-minute charge might give you around 2 hours of juice with noise cancelling. That's still pretty weak now, because with the WH-1000XM3s you can get a 10-hour charge with just 15 minutes of actual charging. Micro USB might be relevant in 2017, 2018, but in 2019 I'm expecting all the latest noise cancelling headphones to have USB-C fast charging. It's just the way it is, you know? And it seems to me that this does not have as many features as the WH-1000XM3, which might make a difference to someone's purchase decision should they be shopping around for a pair of noise cancelling headphones. For example, this has tap to ear through, so if you tap the right ear cup, ambient sounds pass through to you so that you can catch train announcements, never miss a conversation. And this also, well, we talked about USB-C, this has USB-C, and this also has the ability to adjust its noise cancelling to suit the physiology of your ears, so that you don't feel that pressure in your ears when the noise cancelling is switched on. It makes a difference, you know, if you are traveling on a long haul flight. Some people get headaches after long haul flights from using noise cancelling headphones because perhaps the noise cancelling is too powerful. There could be other reasons as well, but this has the ability to mitigate that. I have not seen the Audio-Technica app yet, so I'm not sure if it has a graphic equalizer, but these headphones, they have a graphic equalizer and various sound modes to enhance your listening experience. But regardless, I feel that the ANC900BT has great potential in the year 2019 because it is the first one ever to support Bluetooth 5.0, at least the first one that I know of. And they also support aptx and AAC codecs, which is better than what the top headphones from other brands support. For example, the Bose QC35 version 2, that one only supports SBC codec, I think. And even the latest JBL, I think it's called the Zinc 650BT, supports SBC. I will be doing a separate video covering the JBL headphones because there are just so many of them. But suffice to say that this might actually stand a chance to at least be head-to-head with the Sony WH-1000XM3 in the year 2019. And of course, the price point of $299 is just more attractive than the $350 that you have to spend to get a pair of these WH-1000XM3s. But to me, even though this supports Bluetooth 5.0, I would still put my money on the WH-1000XM3s because it is still by far the best performing noise cancelling headphones in the market for me. And until I try these pair of headphones, I won't know for sure how they measure up in terms of performance to the WH-1000XM3s. So I really can't wait. I can't wait till the day that I get to try this pair of headphones myself. It may be soon, but they are slated to be released come March. So I think I might only get to review it, say, in April or May. That's the life of a tech reviewer in Singapore. You only get to review stuff long after they've been launched in the States. Before I end this video, I also need to mention that Audio-Technica has also released two other models, a much cheaper over-the-ear noise cancelling headphones, priced at $99. At least it looks like it's over the ear. It doesn't say whether it's on the ear or over the ear. And a pair of in-the-ear noise cancelling headphones. These ones also retail for $99. The headphones are called the ANC900BT, and the earbuds are called the ANC900BT. So obviously at this price point of less than $100 or $99, you won't get all of the features that the premium model offers, such as Bluetooth 5.0 or aptx codec support or touch controls. But still, it seems quite reasonable. You're still going to get 20 hours of battery life. I'm assuming that this is 20 hours on average, by the way, but I may be wrong. I won't know until I get a chance to try this out for myself. And there's no telling how the noise cancelling will perform in comparison with the ANC900BT. But despite that, I feel that they have the potential to be very successful because you simply do not get noise cancelling headphones at $100 if they are from an established brand like Audio-Technica. Okay, you can look at the Sennheiser headphones, you can look at the Bose, you can look at the Sonys, you can look at the JBLs. None of them offer noise cancelling headphones that cost $100. So it's safe to say that if the ANC900BT doesn't take off, these will take off. Oh yeah, they will. So I think this is a great place to end the video. Thank you guys for watching my third coverage of CES 2019. 3 videos in 3 days. It's a whole new level of tough for me, okay? I'm super tired, I have eye bags forming under my eyes. But you know what? I don't mind because I totally enjoy doing this, you know, covering CES on a daily basis. And I will continue to put up more videos in the coming days until the end of CES. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad because YouTube, like I said, doesn't always notify you when I put up new videos, okay? So if you want to stay notified, remember to ring the bell. My name is Aaron. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one. Facepalm out!